Okay, so where are we now? Let's move on to this area. Radius these undercuts. Also, yeah, I'm getting annoyed by this. I just want to rad that. It's not that large. It's quite big on that one. Let's use that one. Use the fillet tool. 10. No, let's do 30. It's better. And then untrim this surface and retrim it. Oh, that's not a good sign. Look at that. Oops. What have I done? That's stupid. I can't believe I've done that. Anyway, let's fix that now before we go any further. Let's not trim that just yet. That's so annoying. I thought I got that right. Right, anyway. It's okay. It's not too big of a deal. Untrim that. Always pay attention to the edges. Like if they're not positional, then that will mess everything up for you when you come to radius. Like what's happening with me now. I'm gonna curvature align this one. Partial. Just make sure these kind of pretty close to each other, these holes on the different surfaces, and that will mean that they're pretty much positional. They don't need to be exact, but as long as they're really close, it's fine. And then for these as well, these were just a draft down, so I can easily redo those. Oh, trim that. Oh, okay, don't trim that. That's annoying. Right, I wanted to fix this as well, to be fair, so we can do that. We can do that now. It's too flat. We'll just position align this existing surface. Oh, is it? It's trimmed, of course. No, we won't do that then. We'll just skin. There to there. Oh my god, I hate it when it does this. Default. Just extend that through, or we'll probably give it a little bit of crown as well. A little bit of. Probably going the wrong way. Yeah, there we go. It's alright. Just re-intersect these two, trim them both away. That's better. Alright, and we'll just draft off that again, and that'll be fine. Oh, don't chain select. 1, 2, straight down in Z. Flip. That'll do, and then we'll extend that through. Or maybe not. Maybe we'll just run the surface all the way along. So let's do this, draft down off of that, and then freeform blend that, and that almost resolves this problem here. And why is that not edge aligning properly? I don't know, so I'll just extend this through and trim away. Okay, cool. That's better. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, radius this undercut now. Save your work. Let's start radiusing. So as you can see on the image, it's quite tight and it just runs to there and stops. So that's what we'll do. I think it looks softer on this one. A little bit. Anyway, we'll do an in between, whatever looks nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure it's set to default. We'll go 10. Yeah, quarter. It's alright. Maybe go a little bit bigger. 15. I don't know why it's gone so far. Oh, I know why. Anyway, I want it a little bit bigger actually. 20. That's nice. Delete the history of this because that was updating. Extend this curve through. Trim this here. So, okay. We want to like create a round corner here. 1, 2. Oh, I didn't like it. It's alright. Edit. Point it in the right direction. This music's a bit loud. Okay. And we wanted this surface to stop here really, so I'll just extend it back. I don't know why that hasn't trimmed away there. There we go. No, it didn't. That's weird. Whatever. Just grab this CV and put it to the edge of there. Oh, didn't like that. There. No. There. And then we build just a surface in here to finish it off. I don't like how different that is. It's better. And then I'm just going to build a surface from here down there and then trim it away. Trim them both away. Let's just try rail. I usually experiment with by rail, it usually ends up looking a bit shit like that. Curvature, curvature, there we go, it's not too bad. And I'll just trim that edge away. Oh, make sure rail 1 is also curvature. It says rail 1 failed curvature, we want. So even though it failed, it's still tangent, so I'm happy with that. Want to project that blend curve on, cut, cut. And we'll extend the headlamp surface through, sorry, tail lamp. And also project that on, trim that away. That doesn't look too bad. What's this surface? Okay, that doesn't need to be that. Go away, thanks. So there you go, that bit's finished off. Not the most tidy, but good enough. And then finish off this end. And my palette's disappeared, there it is. Align this curve to there. Okay, I'm going to try that profile blend tool again. So I want them. Okay, now I want side 1 to be positional and side 2 to be curvature. Spacebar, boom, boom. Ah, it didn't work. Never works. Come on. Why didn't that work? It's going to be to do with this, isn't it? Always is. Yeah. Okay, let's create our own edge. So it just needs to be close. 5. Curvature align it. Okay, let's try the profile blend again. Now it'll work. Side 1, positional. Side 2, curvature. Project. Sorry, spacebar. Select the adjacent edges and go. Hooray! It worked. It's not perfect, but it's all right. But we do have to fix it, especially here. And why are there 2 surfaces there? Why does it always do that? Anyway, yeah, we'll get rid of that little sliver, we don't need that. We'll align this. Why is there 6 CVs? There shouldn't be. And it's gone very like negative there, which is annoying, doesn't need to be. We'll make this curvature on this edge as well, that'll help. A little bit, not really. Let's tweak it individually. Locally, I mean, I'm just pushing those CVs in a little bit and it's gone much smoother. Still not what I want. Maybe I've gone too far with this one. Better. I actually don't like it here. I'm going to just make it 5 by 5. Okay, that'll do. Let's extend this. Again, annoyingly, it's not as perfect as I would like. And that's because this surface here needs to be tweaked a bit. I don't know why, because they should be positional to each other. Aha, they're not, that's why. That explains it, yeah. So this really should be... Oh no, it never is going to be positional with that. Anyway, let's bring that surface back. This does need to be pulled out a bit though, that's why. It's going a bit weird. I could do that manually, so let's just do it. Screw it. Okay, there we go, that'll do. And then we'll do a little radius all around to that point there. Let's extend this through. Where'd it go? That's annoying, isn't it? There it is. Trimming these back, so that get rid of the template because it's confusing. It's not trimming. Okay, let's build that little radius. Gonna leave that one out. Just build from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just build to that. We'll do 5 again. It's quite nice. Looks a little bit essy there, but again, I'm not going back now. We've already gone too far. Those are the kind of things you fix earlier on. Designers will point it out, and you'll be like, "Oh shit, yeah, you're right." There is a way of seeing that kind of stuff early on as well, but it's a bit more advanced. It's where you I'll show it quickly now. Okay, like side view maybe, and then select this and. No, this one, sorry. And really squeeze it together. And yeah, it looks fine in this view. It's just in certain views it looks essy. Yeah, so I don't know, just it's a tricky area to get looking right without essing. But yeah, in a lot of views this looks like it's essing. So that would suggest that we need to lift it up in certain areas to stop it from doing that, or pull it inboard. Anyway, not worrying about that now. Let's get this in to, oh no, why is that not curvature? Oh, come off it. This is why you delete history. Why the hell has that done that? It's so annoying. Just don't do that. Fuck off. Oh, what a piss take. Nightmare. Oh, why are you not trimming now? Just trim. Alright. Align that. Yep. Make sure it's edge aligned. Oh. Edge aligned on one side. This as well. Come on. Oh, screw you. Freeform blend. Need to make sure those edges line up. Oh, for God's sake, getting tired. Freeform blend. Oh, doesn't want to do edge align again. For no reason. Trim that away. Alright. Why is it doing that? Like, ALIAS does some stupid shit sometimes. So annoying. I extended that through. Yeah, that should go all the way through, but it's deciding it wants to trim up there. I'm just gonna not trim it then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend that. Cool. That'll do. Nice. Next. This big undercut all the way across the belt line. Let's do that, and then we'll move to the front undercut, and then we'll have a rest. We're so close now, though. Okay. Right. Big undercut. Let's have a look. Looks like a very tight radius all the way along. This one's probably better. Yeah. Very tight radius. So that's fine. Let's do it. Again, we'll do that one first though, because it will still be bigger than the one on top. Make sure it's set to default. We'll set it to 10. Ah, stop doing that. 15. Okay, that'll do. Edge line that. And I don't know why it stops there. Why does it do that? Go all the way along. So weird. I decided to do extend in the end because I want it to go all the way along, and then I'll just get rid of the ones that have gone too far. That's it. Oh great. That's not going to be positional there, so let's already acknowledge that and create our own edge. Oh, it doesn't like that. Me at your babe, you have me at your babe. You have me at what's your name? You got me with what's your name? You have me at your babe. You have me at your babe. You have me at what's your name? You got me with what's your name? Alright, that'll do. And that should be there. Alright, let's build a square in there. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 2 edges there, of course. Use the profile blend. Oh, okay, sorry. There's 3 edges there. Oh. That's not very nice there either, but I mean, what can you do? That's the way I built it. So that's my own fault. We needed to make sure that that was flush, or at least positive, but yeah, I fucked up. On the car, it is. They've just done a brake all the way around to resolve that. So this is completely separate. Like, it's lifted up, so there's an offset, and that makes sense. I could do that, but I can't be bothered now, so we're going to leave it. But I am very tempted to just lift it. gonna add another row of CVs so I can tweak it closer to the spoiler. Do that. Give me the curve. Make that, I don't know, 5. Tweak that up. It's better. And I'm going to do that thing that I did before where I just align it on its own. Right, let's make sure it's not too far off though. Yeah, it's pretty much positional there, that's good. Right, let's just align it, bring it down to 3 CVs, and that should give it a negative break. There we go. I'm going to realign this edge. It's going to be still slightly different to the image, but if anything I think I've improved it. So there you go, nice. And delete the history on that, bring it back up to 5, and realign it curvature to the previous fillet. And that looks alright. It's still not perfect, but we can tweak that thanks to this. We can drive it with this CV, just pump it down. Same with this one. Pump it in. Oh, too far out. Same with this one again. Put that down and in. How's that look? Quite nice. Good. I definitely would have lost continuity here with all that moving around, but that's fine. I'll just realign it now. Before I forget, I'm just going to do tangent. Same here. I'll do, and this end as well. Don't forget to save. Let's build the fillet on this side. Why is that? It's just the graphics are so bad that I can't tell if it's position or not. Anyway, let's build a surface in here. Oh no, what's happened there? No blending. Oh, I hate it when it does this. 1, 2. Why are you doing that, ALIAS? What are you doing to me? That shouldn't be happening. Oh, there we go. Why did it put it down to 2 degrees? I don't know. Anyway, square. 1, 2. No! Yeah, whatever. Right, rebuild a curve to this edge, and this edge. Up that to 5. Curvature align it. This is why it's really important to make sure everything is positional and stays positional, otherwise you then have to end up rebuilding the edges so you can build squares and fillets and everything later on. But I'm used to it now, so I just quickly rebuild an edge with a curve. Right, so number 2's position, 4 we want curvature, 3 we want tangent, and this one's fine. We need more CVs because it doesn't like it, it's not going to go in. Sorry, wrong row, this row, go on. And this is where I will start to add some spans actually, because it's meant to it'll only work with multiple surfaces, so the spans act as multiple surfaces. Still not doing it though, but I'm sure if I leave that at what it is and then curvature align it, it will pop in. Partial. I'm sure that's worked, you just have to make sure. Let's continuity check. Yeah, I could probably reduce the number of CVs as well. Yeah, maybe even the spans. Nice. Oh, I didn't like it though. Good. One more span. Oh no, so one span. I can get away with that. It's looking alright. Finish it off down the bottom. Down the front, I mean. Project that on, trim. Or maybe don't trim yet, so we can use that edge. Build another square in there. We can just template this or get rid of this surface. 1, 2, 3, 4. Position, curvature, tangent. This one needs to be position. Get rid of some of the spans, we don't need that. Will it work with 5? No. 6, 7, 8, 8. So I allow like multiple rows of CVs when it comes to fillets. I feel like it's not that important. It is important when you're using big slabs that you keep it to 5x5 maximum, because you're trying to curvature align things, control things easily. But when it's just fillets and rads, it's not a massive deal. They're just there to finish things off. They're not there as like a primary design surface. Okay, and let's just do the undercut fillet here, and then put little rads on those, and then we'll leave it for the rest for today, and then carry on tomorrow. Looking nice though. Okay, let's just quickly look at the image again. Looks like quite a tight radius there as well. Probably I'll try and just keep it the same as the rear one though. Though I don't know what to do there. It looks like it's softer on this side, but I just think it's less of an undercut there. It's a much harsher undercut at the front. Okay, 2, 3. I don't think it's going to go much further than that. Let's try it anyway. We'll go with 10. Oh, make sure you turn off history, delete history. Okay, I'm going to go 15. That's good. You can template that. Extend this. Build a profile blend in there. If it's going to work, probably won't, but we can try. 2, sorry, 3, spacebar, and then adjacent edges. Come on. Yes, it worked first time, but yeah, sometimes it overbuilds, and that's really annoying. It's gone a bit funky as well. Why has it done that? Like, calm down. Anyway, so the number of CVs, so we reduce. Okay, let's get rid of these surfaces that have gone back here. We don't need those. Delete. No. Delete. 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 Oh, okay. We'll trim convert that back. And it's not doing the same thing, annoyingly. I'll fix that just by aligning it manually. It's annoying because it's created a little wobble. I mean, it's not obvious, but sometimes profile blend is a bit shit, but it's quick, so I use it a lot. And then same on the rear end of Oh, it didn't like that. Okay. Okay, profile blend again. One. What is it trying to get? So confused. Plain edge. Oh, fuck off. 1, 2. 1, 2. Nice. It's nice when it works first time. Take that. Happy with that. Again, that area could be perfected, but alright, fucking do it. Same technique, just align it, bring it down to 3. Get rid of this little sliver, don't know why that's there, that's annoying. And then realign, curvature to there, up it back to 5, and it should have ironed it out. You probably can't tell, but I can, after years of bloody doing shit like that over and over again. Right, there's too much shit in the way, get out of the way. Okay, save your work. Before I finish today, I really do want to get at least that in, and maybe even that blend there. Which would mean that as well, and that as well. We can do that, let's do it. Right, I'm going to quickly put this little rad on here. Let's hope this is all tangent, come on. Might not like that one, screw that one. We're going for 5 again. Come on. Edge your line. Edge your line. Forgot to click on those surfaces. Dope. Alright. I'm not gonna make sure I click on those surfaces. Surface fillet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, try again. Edge line. Oh, come on. It's gonna crash. Build. Cool. Template that. Template that. What's going on here? Template that. It's quite nice. Finish it off quickly. Let's see if it will work on its own. Probably not. Oh, it did, good. Okay, and then let's move on to this area. Get this in, because it's annoying me. So on here it's completely different, isn't it? Yeah. There's like a light catcher there, and there isn't on this. So that's a different model. Let's just guess then. We'll do a big radius. Let's do it, I don't know, 40. Didn't like it. 30. Still doesn't like it. Alright, we'll do it manually then. It needs to be bigger than that, I think. Oh, of course, it's on the orthographic though, so that's good. Interesting. Might make it a bit bigger. There we go. Let's untrim this area. Right, first let's delete history. Oh, project that new edge on, trim away. Same with this area. Oh my god. Extend this curve down. There's two curves there, that's annoying. Let's get rid of one. Same with this one, it needs to be extended down. Project the edges on. 1, 2, 3. Trim away. It's nicer. Still feel like it's a bit weird, but what does it look like in Auto? Yeah, it follows it, so we're only doing what it says. And now let's get onto this area. It just blends out. Okay, it's different on here again, but we'll go with what I know. 1, 2. Could keep it a default. 30. Let's try it. Didn't like it. Oh, anyway. Make sure the arrows are pointing in the right direction. When I want this fillet to go like that, both arrows need to point in that direction. That's alright, maybe a bit bigger, to 40. Oh, too big, 35, oh that's 49. 40, that's it. And then we will extend it. Eventually there's going to be a little radius, but it's going to shoot this way. So this is where it becomes a bit difficult. Because you don't want, you want it to like shoot straight with that line, so let's do that. I don't know, duplicate curve and extend it. Nope. Extend that. Trim, extend this. Extend the curve on surface as well. Duplicate this edge again, lower edge. Extend that through. Project that on, trim away. And now for some reason it's lost curvature, but we'll just trim convert that down and just realign it to be sure. Partial. Yeah, so what I was going to do is build like a big radius on there, but I don't think it's going to be a big radius there, not compared to the one I've just built anyway. Okay, on there it is quite big. Alright, I'll do that. But first, no, let's do that. But we won't build it as big. We can build it, I don't know, half the size and it will still look okay, I think. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, it's the same size, 20. There we go, that's better. We'll do edge align there. No, we'll just do extend. Cool. Yeah, good. We'll extend this. Trim it away. Nope. Oh, come on. Oh yes, because we need to do the same at the bottom. 1, 2. Make sure they're facing the right way. Edge align. Alright, don't edge align. Extend again. Don't like that. That's bad. I'm going to make it bigger. 30. Oh, come on. 30. Oh, it's facing the wrong. There, it's facing the wrong. Just better. Still a bit of a shit line there, but I don't know. what needs to happen is this needs to get bigger, so I'm going to do that. Okay, let's trim that away. Freeform blend. So freeform blend, 1, 2, default, connect ends. Cool, let's do this upper side first. We can try profile blend, it might not work, I'm going to try it anyway. Go on, oh nice. Again, it's overbuilt it, but that's alright. It's better than not building it at all. Try and convert that back. Yeah, it's not perfect at all, but that's fine. It's giving me a base. I'm going to get rid of those. I'm going to rebuild that square in. Let's align that. Oh god, it's actually done a really bad job. Anyway, why are there 6 CVs there? Doesn't need to be 6 CVs. I'm going to do extra CVs to get it to all look similar. I'm going to align it there again, and then I'll just tangent align it here. Oh, that's fine. And then square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 needs to be tangent. Nice. Oh, it's not that nice. What the hell? Okay. 3 will make that curvature. That will help. Good. Still not perfect, but we'll look at the CVs. Oh, that's fine. It needs to be 5 by 5. There you go. It's better. Maybe I'll make that curvature as well. Yeah, that's better. Nice. Good. And then same for the lower. I'm going to save now because I made some progress. Okay, do profile blend again, even if it's not perfect, we can use it as a guide. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's okay though. I'm going to get rid of that actually. I'm going to get rid of that too. I'm going to build a square in here and just reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, wrong way. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. And then I'm going to get rid of these as well and square that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to curvature that. I'm going to curvature that. Looks a bit crap. Shit. We'll fix that though. See the CV. Where are the CVs? Turn on. Oh, it's because I've got. There we go. And that's why, because I built it 5 by 8 again. Make sure it's 5 by 5. Oh. Yeah, that's the reason. We might get away with it. Just pumping it out. Nice, that looks good. Well done. If you've made it this far and it looks similar to this, that's great. Have a well-deserved rest and we'll carry on tomorrow. But look at that, it's looking great. Pain in the ass. Can't wait for it to be finished. Save your work and done.